Welcome back. Why states create international law? First point, sovereignty and control. States want to maintain their sovereignty and control on their own affairs by being selective about which laws they accept. They can ensure that their national interests and policies are not unduly compromised. Strategic interests. States often evaluate international laws based on their strategic interests. They are more likely to accept laws that align with their economic, political, and security goals. Domestic politics. The acceptance of international law can be influenced by domestic political considerations. Governments may face pressure from domestic interests groups, political parties, or public opinion to accept or reject certain laws. Reciprocity and mutual benefits. States are more inclined to accept international laws that offer reciprocal benefits if they see that other states are also adhering to these laws. They are more likely to comply. Fifth one, legal and ethical standards. States may accept international laws that reflect their own legal and ethical standards. This alignment can make it easier to integrate international laws into their domestic legal systems. International reputation. Adhering to certain international laws can enhance a state's reputation and standing in the international community. States may be selective to ensure they are seen as responsible and cooperative actors. Enforcement and compliance. States may be particular about international laws based on their enforceability and the mechanisms for compliance. They are more likely to accept laws that have clear enforcement mechanisms and are backed by international situations. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.